Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're showing you guys this professional portfolio. Now this is great for kids, teens, adults, businessmen, businesswomen, and this is something that is really awesome. Alright guys, so this is it. Now it comes with a handle, or you can keep the handle down just like this. So, and you carry it with you like a briefcase. Now there is a zipper to open it up. Alright guys, so this is it. Now they do give you a charging cable, an extension, you get a pen, you get your memo pad, and this just lifts up so you can replace it when you go through your memo pad. You can replace it with a new one just like that. So you have your calculator here. This also allows you to wirelessly charge your cell phone. There's a power bank right inside here, and you can pop this up and plug in different devices right in there as well. Push it down, you can turn it on, turn it off. Overall, press and hold it to turn it off, just press it to turn it on. Now you have different mesh pockets. You have pockets up top here as well for different things. Overall, very nice. Now over in here you have a folder, so you can put your important documents inside there as well. You also have a folder right down through here that you can put in your different documents. Overall, this is a very professional kit. Absolutely love it. This is really nice. This is going to be great, you know, if you have a business like I do and different stuff. Also got these pockets right up in here for placing things down inside there. Overall, absolutely one of the best portfolio folders I have ever reviewed. I absolutely love this thing.